In this video, we will learn cross multiplication method for solving pair of linear equations in two variables. And as I have mentioned earlier, that pair of linear equations are also called simultaneous equation. So what we are going to learn is cross multiplication method for solving simultaneous equations. So now basically in simultaneous equation, this in cross multiplication method, we take this generic method that two equations a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Then the equation number 2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So these are the two equations. And then we know by a formula that if two equations are given like this, then x over b1 over c2 minus b2 over c1 equal to y over c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And we can find the value of x by equating these two, and value of y is by this two. So in this formula we can remember by writing what we call is cross multiplication. So that means x, y and 1. So, and for writing the cross multiplication, we are writing first b1, b2, c1, c2, then a1, a2, and then again b1, b2. So the cross multiplication we can write. The only thing is I will write y slightly here because this is how the cross multiplication will work, and also I will write 1 somewhere here. So this is x, this is y, and this is 1. And then we will do like this. So here you see x, and then we have b1 c2, b1 c2, and then b2 c1. So this is basically is the representation what we have in the denominator here. And similarly for denominator under y, this is how it will be, right? This way, c1 a2, c1 a2 and c2 a1. And for under 1, so 1 a1 b2 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is why this is called cross multiplication. So basically what we need to remember is, we need to remember this is the formula, and this is the way we can remember it. and then we will know that the value of x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and value of y will be equal to c1, so this will go in the numerator, a2 minus c2 a1 over, let me use some different color pen so that you can distinguish it clearly, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the value of y. So in denominator both are same, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, here also same. The only thing is in numerator, in case of finding the value of x, this will be in the numerator, and in case of y, this will be in the numerator. So now if we take a simple example like say 12x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, and another equation is 6x plus 2x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. Suppose these are the two equations, and if we have to find by using the cross multiplication method, what we will do is we will find the value of x by applying this formula. So what we will do is we will do the multiplication first here in these two terms, that is b1 c2. So for finding the x we will do b1 c2. So in this case I am removing this here so that I have some space to write. So x will be equal to b1, that means 3 into minus 10 minus b2 c1, that means this 4 into minus 11 over a1 b2, a1 b2 which is 12 into 4 minus a2 b1 2 into 3. So this will become minus 30 plus 44 divided by 48 minus 6. So this way we get 44 . So this way we can solve the equation. So whatever is the equation which is given, by applying this formula we will be able to solve the equation. So what we have learned in this video is we have seen the cross multiplication method, and in case of cross multiplication method we have two equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and then the other equation has coefficient as a2, b2 and c2. Then for these coefficients we have a formula which is coming from cross multiplication method, that x, and then we have the coefficients of b and c cross multiplied, and then for y we have coefficient of c and a cross multiplied, and then I have just removed here, whereas we have 1, then we have the coefficient of a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And to remember, we can just see that this is how the coefficients are written. And finally, the value of x and y are given by these two formula. So basically, by multiplying the coefficient in a cross multiplication fashion, we can find the value of x and y for a given pair of linear equations. Thank you.